Hey guys, it's Jeremy with Dragon's Breath Glassworks, and I've got a video for you today. I'm making one of my signature claw goblets, and I'm doing it solo. So if you are curious how I do that, this is the video for you. Like the last video we did in the shop, I'm going to go ahead and cut and edit this so you don't have to watch all the reheats and color applications and things like that. So it's going to be truncated, but it'll be all the important details there. So before we get into the video, I've got one quick announcement. We are starting up our giveaways again. So on our Facebook page for years, we've done giveaways. Every 4 or 5 months or so, we give a piece away or a bunch of pieces away. We gave a pumpkin patch and a bunch of Christmas ornaments, one of our big dichro platters, things like that. And since we're finally seem to be coming out of the slump in business from COVID, I wanted to go ahead and do a big celebratory giveaway for the 4th of July weekend. Now, we always, those of you who've done our giveaways before, you know that you have several months to enter to win. You will see Facebook posts go up every week. You just like and comment and share those posts to be entered to win. There's other ways to get extra entries. And the person who wins is going to get probably the nicest thing we've ever given away as a giveaway. So at some point we'll make a video where we actually do the piece we're going to be giving away. So that's the big announcement. Watch to the end, and if you want to see the final piece, I'll take some shots of it after it comes out of the annealer. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day. And here's the finished piece, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. There's going to be a couple other videos off to the side for you to watch if you'd like. And remember, we're going to start doing our giveaways again. The next one is the 4th of July weekend, but you can enter to win now over on our Facebook page. You can enter to win every week. Every Friday we put up a new post where you can get more chances to win. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. See you next time.